it's Jax Gamer, and welcome back to my NewTuber Advice series. And in this episode, we are going to be talking about commentary. So this one is kind of something that I have talked about before, but I haven't explained it for quite a long time. And obviously, if you want to go over my commentary, I have been getting better. But obviously, I'm going to talk about my past videos and also my advice to everybody how to understand what commentary is. So the first thing that you need to be aware of is, do you talk in your videos? So, if you do, I've got a few things to talk about, okay? How to be a good commentator, okay? Commentary, commentator, obviously they are the same thing. So I'm going to talk about a few kind of sort of advice things that you need to be aware of, because there is a couple of them. So I'm going to go over them first, but I'm going to start with me. I'm going to start with me first. So a lot of my videos, obviously, a lot of my videos I did back in the day, my commentary wasn't great at all. The first thing that I was doing is I was talking way too quickly. You might have noticed it. Yeah, I was talking quite fast, and it wasn't good for the people. It wasn't good for the viewers, or it wasn't good for me, because a lot of people didn't really understand what I was saying or talking about. So yeah, what I had to do is I had to learn from that, and I had to take a bit of a short break and kind of like learn what I've done. And then when I come back to slow down, and that is what I did. And now I don't even talk fast anymore. I have kind of learned from it now, and I talk at the normal speed now, and that is what I do now. I literally just talk at the normal speed and all of that, and I've done that with gameplay. I've done it as a video like this, or if I've done it as a vlog or a blog. Yeah, I've literally just talked in my normal way now, and that is how I've been. And obviously, that is how to be a good commentator, not talking very, very quickly. So my advice to everybody, by the way, don't talk really fast in your early videos, because otherwise it wouldn't be great for everybody. So yeah, I wouldn't do that, by the way. Okay, the next one is make sure that you're like wide awake in videos. So make sure that you've had like a good night's sleep. That's the most important thing. Make sure you have eaten really well. Whatever time day it is, whether that's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or tea. And make sure that you're just feeling good and you're not feeling like really tired or anything. So that's something that you need to avoid, by the way. But getting a good night's sleep is very, very important, because if you don't get a good night's sleep, you will just be yawning, and you'll just be so tired, and it's going to affect all the people and viewers on your videos. So yeah, try and avoid that if you can, because I have done that before, and I have tried getting a good night's sleep before and made a video the next day, and I've been okay. So I would advise you to do all of the same, by the way, because it's very, very important. And the other thing as well is try and remember what you're saying in that moment as well. So if you're playing a game that's like very like sort of like creative, like Minecraft or Roblox or anything like that, just try and remember like what you're saying in those videos. Like something saying like, I look at this thing that I built, or look at this creation that I've made on Roblox. Stuff like that. So make sure you remember like what you're saying in that moment, because otherwise if you don't, then it's gonna like, your energy levels are gonna sort of like dip down a little bit, and your commentary's not gonna be very up there, by the way. And obviously there is a lot of like commentators out there that are very, very good and very on a basic level. And don't forget, like, I have now done YouTube for 9 years, and my commentary is still very good, and I'm getting better. I'm getting better every single time, even though it's been 9 years. I still get up there, and I've got better and better and better every day. So, yeah, so that's that. The next one is if you're playing on your own, or you're playing with a friend or a collab or anything like that. Now, for me, a lot of my videos have been on my own, and I have done my own commentary, but I have done a few collaborations before, and it has been a bit difficult to talk over people, but it's been good, and I've enjoyed it. So, yeah, so just do what is best for you, by the way, whether you want to do videos on your own, or whether you want to do videos with a friend or a collab or anything like that. And the other thing is, try and get a game that's like very suitable for you, by the way, to play with your friend as well, because that'll be very, very good for you and him or her as well. If you're playing on your own, then I'll probably advise maybe getting like a story game or something, because that'll be very, very good for people and for viewers as well. So that's the other thing. But yeah, so it takes time, but you are actually still learning, and you are getting there. And obviously that is what I did when I started. So yeah, I would strongly advise to everybody to definitely learn with it, and it will take time for most people. And also try and avoid like R's and R's and all that as well, because that won't be good either. Because that is not very good either. That is not very good commentary, is it, if you're doing stuff like that. So try and remember like what you're saying in these moments as well when you're recording as well. And that means you'll be a good commentator with videos you are doing and all of that. If it's either a gaming video, a vlog, or a face video or anything like that, just try and remember what you say, and you'll be a good commentator. Anyway, apart from that, that's pretty much everything that I've mainly talked about, really. So hopefully you enjoyed this one. Yeah, it's just kind of something I just wanted to go over again. And yeah, commentary is it's very hard, but when you've done a lot of videos, you'll get used to it, and that is my advice to every single one of you. And you'll definitely be up there as well. Yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed this one. So in the next video, I'm going to be talking about something strongly again, so stay around for that one. And yeah, so yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.